Mrs. BC is a popular merchant and trader. She has a large store in the city of Lagos where she sells shoes, clothes, bags, cosmetics, and beverages. People come from different places to patronize her goods because she sells at a very cheap price compared to other traders. But how is she able to sell at a cheaper price and attract plenty of customers to herself? It is because she gets her goods at a far cheaper price directly from the manufacturers. But the major thing that helped her is that she is able to get all her goods in Lagos, where the majority of the manufacturing industries are located. So, the concentration of industries in Lagos creates an avenue for her to spend less sourcing for her goods at once. So, the advantage she had is that all the manufacturers of her goods are located in the same place. When many industries are located in one place, like this, it is referred to as the localization or concentration of industries. Trust you had fun learning in this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.